Adding a basic product to Shopify, that was simple. But when it's time to offer multiple sizes, colors, or styles, things can get confusing fast. Some of the common pain points are like, how do I let customers choose a size without creating separate products? Or can I show different images for different colors? And how do I track stock for each variation? Well, without the right setup, your product pages can become messy, disorganized, and frustrating for customers. Worse, you might oversell or mismanage inventory due to incorrect stock tracking. Shopify's built-in variant system makes it easy to offer multiple options like size, color, material, etc. Link unique prices, images, and SKUs to each variant, and automatically track inventory per option, all without custom coding. And if you are building this store as a service or scaling your brand, remember you can access or you can get support via our premium community and weekly coaching calls. Check the resources section to get started. Let's make choosing a size or color a breeze for your customers and a breeze to manage for you. Follow these steps to create product options that are clean, flexible, and conversion ready. Start with step 1, that is going to products and adding a new product. I click on add product. I may write it as a test variable product. I would come down, like until now I do not see any options to add variations, but you see here the variants. Add options like size, color, and so on. You click on it and here you get it. You have the option to, you can name the option and you can say medium, small, and maybe large. And that's all that you need to do. Click on done, and the moment you click on done, it creates the variations. Now you can select the respective images for each variation. So let's say if this was not a size variation but this was a color variation, so let's select color, black, white, and green, and click on done. Here we have, for medium we have 3 variants, small we have 3 variants, and large we have 3 variants. What I would do is I would drag this and bring above size so that, okay, I click on the drop down. Now I can select the black color from the images, I can select the white color from the images, and I can select the green color. Similarly, I can choose individual prices for different sizes and different colors, and I can select the inventory as well for each particular variation or variant. So variants are not just about options, they are about giving customers a clean, confident buying experience. When you organize variants correctly, you reduce friction, boost conversion, and keep your inventory under control. So the next action step for you is to create a product with at least 2 variant types, example size and color like we just did. Upload relevant images and assign prices to each combination. And if you need feedback, post your product review in the community or bring it in to our next live coaching call for expert input.